everyone, Happy New Year. I want to wish you all the best in 2018. Lots of love, happiness, health, that's the most important thing to me, and all the best in 2018. As you can tell, I'm a bit ill and I was ill on New Year's Eve. I had temperature. I'm still quite ill, but I really wanted to film this video for you because I promised I will show you what I got for Christmas. I actually decided to split this video in two parts because I'm still waiting for some parcels to arrive. So the first part of this video will be the more high-end luxury items that I got for Christmas, and then the second part, when everything else arrives, I'll show you what I got from the Zara sales and some other bits and bobs that I got for Christmas that I also love a lot, and I can't wait to show you. I'm very happy because I got to spend Christmas with my family. My aunt was visiting and we had a lovely Christmas and New Year's Eve. Although I was quite ill on New Year's Eve, we still had a lot of fun. I really hope you had a lovely New Year's Eve and Christmas as well. I would also love to hear what you got for Christmas, so leave me a comment down below and let's get started. I can't wait to show you what I got for Christmas. Okay, so I'll start with my most favorite gift that I made myself, I bought for myself. Hi! I guess she wants to be in the video again. You probably can't see him. I'll start with my favorite item. It's so practical and I needed it for a long time, so I finally decided to buy it for myself, and it is a new iMac. Oh my god, the box is so big, I'm not even sure if it fits on the screen. But I got a new iMac. That box is empty, that's why I lifted it like this. I'm not that strong. I really needed one because I had the MacBook Air and it was quite slow, especially when editing 4K videos, and I do edit quite a lot, pictures and videos for Instagram and YouTube. So I finally decided to invest in a new computer and I'm really happy. Editing videos is so fast now. I can't believe I didn't get a new computer earlier, but I'm really happy that I finally did. So this was my first Christmas gift that I wanted to show you. Next I'll show you something that I think many of you have been waiting to see. I uploaded a shopping vlog, Boxing Day shopping vlog, and I told you that I got a new bag. So I want to show you my new bag. I'm so obsessed with this bag. I can't wait to show you it, but first I want you to guess the color. Can you guys guess the color? Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you guessed the color. This is what I did when I unboxed my Vuitton Marmont. So many of you actually guessed that it was red. I can't believe I found this bag. It is so beautiful. It is probably my favorite bag currently. I still love my Peekaboo. That's my favorite bag in my collection, but this one is stunning. The color is so unique. And I'm not going to keep you waiting, I'll just show you it, but I do think this is one of the most beautiful bags I've ever seen, and I already started using it and it is full, by the way, so it's a bit heavy. This is the bag. Da, 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 da. I love this bag so much. It's such a unique color. I couldn't believe this one went on sale. I got it 30% off. And it was the last one, and there was this other woman who was holding the bag and I was praying that she won't buy it so I can get it. So as soon as she left the bag on the shelf, I picked it up and I was like, that bag is mine. It was love at first sight. This is the college bag, I believe. I'm pretty sure the style is called college again, although it's the smaller size and the pattern is slightly different. So it has the quilting that Chanel bags have and also the chevron print as well with silver hardware. It's very unique color, and when I looked up the color online, it was called acier, which I think is steel from French. Yeah, am I right? I've been wanting a silver bag for quite a long time. I was eyeing up actually another silver bag, and it was very true silver, so I'm really happy that I waited and I found this one. This is such a different color. I think it's showing pretty true to color on camera. I'll try it on as well so you can see how it looks on. I know I needed a larger bag. I think I mentioned in my previous videos that I needed a larger bag, but I ended up buying a small bag again. But it fits actually quite a lot. I'm not sure what I have in my bag now. It is full. So this is the bag inside, but if you want to review what fits inside the bag as well, let me know and I'll do that. I've been using this bag every single day since I got it, and I can say now that I love it and I don't regret buying it. It's very practical, it fits everything that I need. It's quite like squishy and it's not that structured, so it fits a lot. It could stretch quite a lot and you can fit a lot of stuff, although it's a small bag, but you can also use it as an evening bag because it's small. So let me know if you like the bag in the comment section down below. I would love to hear, but I'm so in love and I'm really happy with my purchase. I know many of you would like to know the price. I think I paid about 1,070 something pounds, 1,080 pounds, and the original price was about 1,500. It was 30% off, so yeah, you can do the maths. Next, I want to show you what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. If you've watched my previous videos and vlogs, you know I've been looking for a scarf, and I finally found the one that I really wanted, and it's this gorgeous Louis Vuitton. I believe this is called the Logo Mania scarf in the color Varnish. Yeah, I think that's the name of the color, but I'll leave it down below as well. And this one was a seasonal color, so it was really hard for me to find it. It was sold out everywhere, and they didn't tell me it was a seasonal color and I won't be able to find it in stores. They say I spoke to were like, yeah, just keep checking, keep coming back to the store and you might find it, but we currently don't have it. That's like the most popular color and everyone wants this color, but it's sold out completely everywhere in London. They checked on the system. I don't know if they did. But I found another one that I really liked, which was a grey color. If you can hear that noise, that's Yoshi, sorry about this. The other color was very beautiful as well, but it was a lighter grey color, and I wanted this because I knew this will match my peekaboo. And also now that I have this bag, it also matches this bag really nicely. So I'm really happy that I found it, and I found it brand new. I bought it online. I actually bought it from eBay, and the person was selling it brand new with receipts. It came with original box, bags, receipts and everything, and I checked the authenticity as well, so it's 100% authentic, and I absolutely love this color. It's so unique, it's so beautiful, and it really like suits my complexion. If I find this one somewhere, I'll link it. However, if it's from eBay, I can't guarantee authenticity, so you have to do like the checking and like authenticating the scarf yourself, but I'll link a few down below if I find it. And these are available in Louis Vuitton, just not in this color. They currently have some new seasonal colors that are very beautiful as well, so do check them out. I think you might like them as well. I already wore my scarf twice and it's extremely warm. It looks really cool, it's very easy to style, and yeah, I love it. I'm really happy that I found this one. Next, I want to show you my gift from my mum. She told me that I should pick something for myself, and that's what I did. If you've watched my previous vlog, which was not the last one I uploaded but the one before, I was looking for a gift to buy from my mum. I picked up this. I got the Burberry sweatshirt. This is the new style and I love it so much, guys. It's very warm, it's really like warm inside. I got mine in medium. It is slightly cropped, I mean not really, but I'll try it on and you'll see how it looks on me. I also think these will be quite big this season. I might be wrong, we'll see, but they have t-shirts, they have ponchos with the same like lettering, which are really cool, and I'm actually eyeing up one poncho that I tried on actually in that vlog. If you've watched it, I'll probably link it somewhere here so you can go watch it if you haven't. And I saw this sweatshirt and I really loved it. It was about £300 I believe, or 330, and they also have this in a knitted material t-shirt, one with a hoodie, this style, and the poncho I think with this like lettering on it. So yeah, I'll link a few down below for you to check out. But yeah, this is the gift from my mum and I love it. What do you think? It looks really cool. I'll try it on, but yeah. It's actually starting to get dark outside, so hopefully the video won't be too dark. I'll try and hurry up. Next, I want to show you my gift from Chanel, and let's talk about this packaging. Their Christmas packaging this year is absolutely stunning. I love the velvet blue camellias with the ribbon. I'll show you an up close so you can see. This is the box as well with the same ribbon, So can you guys guess what was in this small box? I think many of you will be able to guess that it's probably a brooch or a pair of earrings. Well, it's a pair of earrings. It is these gorgeous earrings, again with crystals on them. I've never had problems with the crystals on Chanel earrings. I know many people complain about the crystals falling off, but I've never had problems, so I'm not afraid to buy Chanel earrings with crystals on them. And actually I really love the look of them and how sparkly they are. Plus, if you have a problem with crystals falling off, they will always replace it for you. But these are the earrings. These are again very unique color. They're in this very like dark grey color, and they're very sparkly. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up the sparkle of these earrings, but they're extremely sparkly. They also match my bag really nicely, guys. What do you think? Yeah, I'll show you a close-up of the earrings because you can't really see them from far away probably. I'm wearing another pair of earrings because these match my jumper nice. I was gonna wear these. These I'll try them on actually so you can see how they look on. I like these because they're quite understated because they're darker. And I also have a black brooch that these will go with very nicely. But yeah, I do like the fact that they're quite understated and they're not like too flashy. And I actually preferred these to the Jade d'Or earring. I was gonna pick up the Jade d'Or earring, which I absolutely love. However, it was too big and too flashy in your face, and I wouldn't really use that one for every day, and I really needed a pair of earrings for everyday use, so I thought these will be perfect. So yeah, this is my little present from Chanel. Next I got this Prada scrub from Laura. She gave me this for Christmas and it smells so nice. She knows I love the Prada Candy perfume. The packaging looks so nice and I can't wait to use it. I still haven't used this. Let me leave the box somewhere. I still haven't used this scrub, but I can't wait to try it. I'll probably do it tonight. I'll take a hot bath and I'll let you know how I like this. But it smells divine. It smells actually exactly like the Prada Candy. So if you do like the Prada Candy perfume, you'll love this. I didn't even know that I have scrub, but this looks so nice. The jar looks really nice to display in your bathroom. It looks so luxurious and it's really sweet present. So thank you so much, Laura. You always find really cool gifts for me. Alright, next is this Tom Ford nail varnish that I got for Christmas. This is in the color Black Sugar and I've been wanting this color for so long. I think this was limited edition. However, I do see it when I go to the Tom Ford counters. I see it there. I'm not sure if it's permanent color now, but I believe this was limited. Again, I'm not sure, I might be wrong, but it's very unique color. It's like grayish color with a hint of purple, and it also has this really like beautiful burgundy, I can't really describe it, like burgundy sheen to it. I'll show you it up close. I know these are quite expensive. I think these are about 40 or 45 pounds, which is a lot for a nail varnish. But let me tell you guys, this is the best nail varnish I've ever used. I really love the Vuitton ones because they're very long lasting. They don't chip easily compared to the Chanel nail varnishes that I have a lot of them and they do chip quite easily. These and the Vuitton ones are, to me, they're the best nail varnishes. I know they're expensive, the Vuittons are even more expensive, but this actually lasted longer than the Vuitton one. This lasted for like 2 weeks. This does not chip. It stays on your nails, it stays shiny for days, and now I'm not wearing it, I'm wearing a different one because I wanted to match my bag. Who does that? I know I'm not the only one, guys. Tell me I'm not the only one, but I really wanted to match my bag, so I'm wearing a metallic Dior nail varnish. I'll link it down below. So yeah, this is really good and it's definitely worth the money. Now I want to buy more. I'm actually already eyeing up a nude color. So yeah, I'll probably pick up the nude one next. Alright, next I got these for Christmas as well, and I actually got 4. I have another box which I think it's in the yellow room, but I got 4 of these. This is the Saint Laurent, the Shock mascara, and I also got it in a with like this mascara, which is the original one. I think that's the volume effect. I can't remember. I'll just link it down below. But I got 4 sets of these for Christmas, and these are amazing. These were also reduced, they were like half price. To be honest, I really like the original mascara, but this new one, the Shock, is probably my new favorite. I do like the Dual Pump and Volume. This is my all-time favorite mascara, hands down. But this one is actually really good as well, almost as good as the Dior one. Definitely try this one, even if you can't find it discounted, because I think these gift sets are sold out now. But even if it's not discounted, it's worth trying this one. I think you will like it. The brush is really nice, it gives a lot of volume and length, it separates the lashes really nicely. This gift set also comes with eyeliner and makeup remover, and the eyeliner is really good, so I really highly recommend the YSL eyeliners. So they're very black and they stay on all day long. The mascara is great. What else can I say? I'm really happy that I found it, and I will definitely repurchase it after I finish like all these. Alright, next I got a few perfumes, and I actually mentioned which ones I got in my vlog, previous vlog. A Vuitton one and Bulgari one. I'll show you them up close. I really like the smell of them. Actually, one of them is for me and the other one's for my auntie. She got the Bulgari one and I got the Missoni one for Christmas. And the Missoni one, as you can see, comes with a shower gel, body lotion and a small perfume and a full-sized perfume. We picked these two from Harrods. My aunt likes like a stronger, more intense perfumes, whereas I prefer more sweet perfumes, so I picked the Missoni one. I've had this Missoni perfume before in a smaller bottle and I really enjoyed it. It's quite sweet and like really nice everyday scent, not heavy at all. If you haven't smelled it, definitely go and have a sniff. If you're like me and prefer more sweet and lighter scents, I think you'll really enjoy this one. Next I got a few eyeshadows from MAC and Estee Lauder, which are actually quite similar shades, but they're all actually different. Well, they're similar but they're different. You see what I'm talking about. I absolutely love the colors. They're such unique shades. They're very sparkly and they actually look very similar to what I'm wearing now. I'm actually wearing a limited edition Chanel eyeshadow that is not available anymore. But if you like the eyeshadows I'm wearing at the moment, these shades are very similar. So I will link them down below. I think they're permanent, in their permanent collection. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually completely dark outside, so hopefully I won't have to refilm this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. There'll be a part 2, so stay tuned for part 2 of this video. What I got for Christmas, part 2, and Zara sale. So I'll show you what I picked up from the Zara sale as well, which is very exciting. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to come follow me on my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so thumbs up if you did like it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!